Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel इस data science. So हम लोग आ गए हमारे नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे. So now I show how to collect data from real time. Okay. uh, this is why data collection code. After you running this code, I tell you something. If look at this part, it's the library part. For or running this kit, you need to download some library, just like CV zone, numpy np. So which and what which library, python library required for running this code, I mention it later. Firstly, you I show how I collect data from real time. Okay. So after I'm showing something. As you look at this point, when I press S button, it start the processing. Okay, press S to start the data collection. So when I click S button on the keyboard, it start the data collection process, and uh, it's collecting data up to 30 seconds. If you want to change the data collection duration, you change the number.